If the perimeter of a square is equal to its area, which of the following could be a side length of the square? This is an ACT math question. Let's solve it together. Let's first have a rough sketch of what a square looks like. This is a square. Let's say each side is L. Let's call each side L. And the perimeter of a square is equal to 4L because we are to add each side. We are to add through. And now the area of a square is L times L, that is L square. Now, the question says the perimeter of the square is equal to its area. That means 4L is equal to L square. So the question now is which of the following could be a side length of the square? If 4L is equal to L square, we are to look for L. So now let's collect the like terms. Let's take this to the other side so that we have L squared minus 4L will be equal to 0. This one now, let us simplify this so that we have L into bracket. If we take L from L square, we'll be left with L. Then minus, take L from 4L, we'll be left with 4 is equal to 0. And when we have something like this means that L is equal to 0, or what we have in the bracket, L minus 4 is equal to 0. If L minus 4 is equal to 0, that means L will be equal to 4. So let's go back to our option. Now it's either L is equal to 0 or L is equal to 4. And these are the options we have. So this shows that the correct answer is B. L is equal to 4. So let's check to know if we are correct. Let's add 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's the perimeter. That will give 16. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16. Then L square, this will be 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. So that shows that the perimeter of this square is equal to its area. So if you have any question, there is a link in the description. Just click on the link and either type or upload an image of your question, and I will bring the solution your way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.